Hey guys, now we open the tank. I just wanted to show you, we just put the batteries in. This is like the morning time. I didn't really want to put on my mic, so I'm just holding it. So, right now, just going to show you a song. So, this was a 6, if you haven't seen the other video about me opening the tank. This was a 6, 7, or older. Listen to this song. Hold on, I'm gonna put this right here. It might be loud, so listen to this. This is like a 3-year-old song. I just don't really understand. Like, listen to this one. This is like what it's supposed to be. Let me do this song.